All right, number 17 has a couple parts. That's okay. Let's go ahead and read this. Male fireflies flash in various patterns to signal location and perhaps to ward off predators. Different species of fireflies have different flash characteristics, such as the intensity of the flash, its rate, and its shape. The table to the right shows the rate at which a male firefly is flashing. Write the equation for the total number of flashes a male firefly flash, y, for x seconds. In other words, it just wants the equation in slope-intercept form. And we can see right here that x is time and y is number of flashes. In other words, the number of flashes depend on how many seconds have passed. So we know we're going to have y equals, what is our slope here? So what's the change in y? Plus 2. So m so far is 2 over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this would simplify to 2. So we have 2 times the number of flashes. And what was the y-intercept on that? You could use point slope form, but you may also notice that each of these, 2 divided by 1, 4 divided by 2, and so forth, all these are 2. Therefore, this is proportional, and we may or may not write that in. It's up to you. That is the equation. Again, we would want to define the variables. X is time, and y is number of flashes. So let's go ahead and do part C there. Use your equation to add more details to the story about male fireflies' flash characteristics. So it's one thing we would just describe here is the slope. It's 2 flashes per second. You may also write that it's proportional. Of course, it would be proportional because at 0 seconds they wouldn't have had any flashes to record at that time. So you can write that if you want. I'm going to write it in just because that may be what we're looking for on this problem.